How to change the duration of time to wait for auto answer calls on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. After that, scroll down, and then in here, tap on Touch. Then we scroll down and tap on Call Audio Routing. Then tap on Auto Answer Calls. Next, make sure you turn on Auto Answer Calls by tapping on the toggle button to switch it on. After that, you can tap on the Add button or the minus button to adjust the time duration for the phone to wait before the phone will automatically answer an incoming call. So here we can set it to 5 seconds. If you receive an incoming call, the phone will keep ringing until after 5 seconds. If you do not pick up the phone will automatically answer the call for Bluetooth headset or when your phone is connected to a speaker. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.